eyes on you, they're watching over. Keep your composure, be a controller.